Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and every little boy I know loves to bang on drums. My son has had so much fun with this electronic drum set that he would play it nonstop if we let him. But this set is amazing. It has so many unique details that really make it fun for the kids to play. But what's awesome about this truly is the sound. The sounds are extremely realistic, which again, make it so much fun for the kids. This set allows you to adjust the volume and the tempo, as well as has a few different songs that are already programmed in here that the kids can drum along to. One of my son's favorite things to do is record himself. He likes to use the record feature to create his own sounds and then play it back for himself, which I think is awesome and helps them just to boost their confidence and creativity. This does come with 2 drumsticks, which work perfectly with the electronic drum kit, but it also has something that's pretty cool too, with 2 different foot pedals. My son loves to add in the foot pedals and just make a more unique sound to his tunes. We were surprised and excited when we found out that we didn't have to be plugged into a wall to use this. It does have a rechargeable battery, so we were able to unplug and move it all around the room. The sound on this is awesome, so just take a listen here. If you have a little music lover like we do, this electronic drum set would no doubt be the perfect gift for them. But that's just our point of view.